Thanks to Cwlwm's dedication, its empowering approach and partnership with the National Centre for Learning Welsh, the Camau self-study courses are highly popular in the early years Playwork and childcare sector. Through our proactive promotion, comprehensive materials and unwavering support, learners feel confident and fully equipped to complete courses at any level, whether it's entry, foundation or intermediate. During 2023-24, 716 learners undertook the courses, with just under 400 completing. Cwlwm partners have excelled with their outstanding Welsh Promise scheme. This scheme allows practitioners to increase their use of the Welsh language, enriching the experiences of children and fostering stronger connections within communities. This initiative, developed, overseen and promoted by Cwlwm, has rapidly gained momentum across the sector. Settings enthusiastically embrace the opportunity to achieve bronze, silver or gold status, enjoying the numerous advantages and fulfilling the requirements of the active offer. During 2023-24, 145 embarked onto the Bronze Award and 71 settings achieved the Bronze Award. 48 embarked onto the Silver Award and 10 achieved the Silver Award, with 18 embarking on the Gold Award and 1 achieving. Funding received from the Welsh Government enabled significant advancements for Cymell, particularly through the establishment of dedicated regional Welsh language childcare business development officers. These officers played a crucial role in driving progress across various areas, such as increasing the Welsh language usage in settings, assisting 21 unregistered Welsh and bilingual out-of-school childcare settings to attain registration with Care Inspectorate Wales, with 13 of them successfully achieving registration, supporting 2 settings to change their operational language to Welsh, training Welsh-speaking individuals in Playwork, providing grants to support training, registration and the sustainability of Welsh and bilingual settings. Blynyddoedd Cynnar Cymru, Early Years Wales and Mudiad Meithrin collaborated on Cynllun Plethu, working with 3 settings to transition from bilingual to Welsh language immersion settings. These settings adapted their practices, policies and worked closely with their families and stakeholders. As immersive Welsh language providers of childcare, they increased the capacity for childcare spaces through the medium of Welsh in their community. Cwlwm partners are committed to an anti-racist Wales because they understand the importance of fostering inclusivity and equity within the sector. They recognise that racism not only undermines individual rights and dignity, but also hinders the sector's ability to provide quality care and support to all communities. Collaborating closely with DARPL, Cwlwm uses their guidance and expertise to create a safe and supportive environment where everyone feels valued, respected and empowered to thrive on their anti-racist journey. Cwlwm equips the childcare, play and early years sector with essential knowledge and resources to effectively navigate their day-to-day operations effectively, ensuring they remain well informed and capable of managing evolving situations. This includes regular communication, training and workshops, online resources, webinars, forums and seminars, networking and engagement events, collaborations with stakeholders, feedback mechanisms, social media presence. Cwlwm's commitment and hard work in responding to various consultations has resulted in several benefits to the childcare sector. Representation. Cwlwm's participation in consultations ensures that the childcare, play and early years sector's voice is considered, advocating for policy supporting providers, children and families. Influence. Cwlwm's input during consultations shapes legislation, regulations and policies, fostering a regulatory environment favourable to the childcare sector's growth and sustainability. Information sharing. Consultation participation keeps Cwlwm informed about childcare landscape changes, sharing insights with providers to help them adapt and prepare. Collaboration. Co-construction allows Cwlwm to foster partnerships with policymakers and stakeholders, leading to more effective solutions that address sector needs. Policy alignment. Cwlwm's engagement in consultations ensures proposed policies align with childcare sector goals, supporting providers in delivering high-quality care and education. Cwlwm partners intensively supported work and activities relating to the following consultations: the independent review of childminding in Wales, the Ministerial Play Review, the professional registration of the play and childcare workforce, and the structure of the school year. In addition, we also gave evidence to 2 Senedd committees. We spoke to the Children, Young People Education Committee about whether disabled children and young people have equal access to education and childcare. And we gave evidence to the Equality and Social Justice Committee looking at Minding the Future, the childcare barrier facing working parents. Cwlwm played a vital role in supporting Welsh Government with the implementation of the ALN, the Additional Learning Needs System. Here's how Cwlwm supported Welsh Government and the sector. Sharing resources. Cwlwm ensured that the sector had access to up-to-date materials to facilitate the understanding of changes to ALN. Disseminating information. Cwlwm communicated updates, changes and important announcements to the sector so that everyone was aware of the latest developments. Offering advice and guidance. Cwlwm offered advice and guidance to sector staff which involved providing support on best practice, strategies for implementation and addressing any challenges and concerns that arose concerning ALN. Collaboration. Cwlwm engaged with all stakeholders involved in the ALN system by sharing their expertise, helped to create a supportive network for the sector. Supporting evaluation efforts. Cwlwm supported Welsh Government in evaluating the effectiveness of the new ALM system, which included gathering information from the sector and providing feedback within the Evaluation and Monitoring Steering Group. Cwlwm played a pivotal role in supporting Welsh Government's implementation of the Early Childhood Play, Learning and Care Vision, the Quality Framework and associated documents by fostering partnerships with the education sector and schools. Here's how Cwlwm accomplished this. Partnership and collaboration. Cwlwm worked closely with stakeholders to ensure that all actions aligned with the ECPLC Vision and Quality Framework. By working in partnership, Cwlwm ensured that implementation strategies were tailored to the needs of various childcare settings. Gathering feedback. Cwlwm gathered feedback from the sector on their ECPLC and Quality Framework experiences and provided Welsh Government with this information to enable continuous improvement. By collecting feedback, Cwlwm helped identify areas for enhancement and refinement. Supporting continuous improvement. Cwlwm provided support by offering insights, suggestions and recommendations for refining policies, procedures and resources to better meet the needs of the sector. Promotion and understanding. Cwlwm actively promoted the ECPLC and Quality Framework through its various communication channels and ensured that suitable information training sessions were arranged and delivered to improve understanding within the sector. Cwlwm assisted Welsh Government and Care Inspectorate Wales with the update to the national minimum standards by providing vital support in several key areas. Communication. Cwlwm ensured that changes to the NMS were communicated promptly to the sector, ensuring that the sector remains fully informed to implement necessary changes, such as the changes to training requirements and changes for childminding assistance. Understanding and implementation. Cwlwm helped the childcare sector to understand the revised NMS by providing guidance, resources and training to ensure that practitioners were aware of the standards and knew how to implement them effectively. Feedback. Cwlwm gathered feedback from practitioners on their experiences with the revised NMS, and this was shared with Welsh Government to gain clarity on certain standards so that there is a consistent approach within the sector. Cwlwm played a key role in relation to the Welsh Government's plan around the potential to move professional registration of the childcare and playwork workforce in Wales. Work included discussions. Cwlwm engaged in discussions to explore and define the concept of professional registration. Insight. Cwlwm offered valuable input to Welsh Government on the professional registration consultation queries, enhancing their understanding of the workforce needs. Promotion. Cwlwm ensured widespread awareness of the professional registration consultation through various channels, including the creation of promotional videos to raise awareness, explain its purpose and engage the sector and a sector survey. Information sessions. Cwlwm facilitated informative sessions to educate the sector about the consultation, addressed queries regarding the proposed register and provided a platform for expressing opinions. Consultation response. Each Cwlwm partner submitted their own organisational response to reflect unique organisational and member views. Cwlwm is committed to supporting Welsh Government in reviewing and refreshing the 10-year workforce plan and addressing recruitment and retention of practitioners, particularly concerning qualifications and training, through the following actions. Input. Cwlwm actively participated in discussions and provided valuable input to assist Welsh Government in reviewing and updating the workforce plan. This involved sharing insights and recommendations gathered from the sector. Workforce assessments. Cwlwm conducted workforce assessments to identify gaps and challenges related to qualifications and training within the workforce, aimed at addressing recruitment and retention issues. Promotion of continuous professional development. Cwlwm supported the progression of ongoing professional development within its workforce and encouraged participation in various professional development opportunities.